If you are new on my channel, have not yet subscribed.
अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ सूर्य नमस्कार करो या फिर अनुलोम विलोम, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए.
Channel and on subscribing the channel, pressing the notification on, press the notification on notification. If you are watching it Facebook, follow my pages and share, just like the video.
महाकाल का धमाके लाकर से ठोक दीजिए, 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए. ये 4,000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ.
Share with your friend and like this video. And I am coming with you the various feature on the pages and YouTube through which I can grow. Since starting the channel, it is more far and I have not yet grow. Subscribe now and make sure that it reach the maximum level, and so that it is your responsibility to reach the channel with the maximum level. Since I have started, I have a vision that I am doing my work. Even though without yourself, then I cannot go into the next level what I have to wishes to yourself. So being a student or being a the content creation level on the various field of the today age, it is your responsibility to share and subscribe this channel and reach the maximum level of people, so that they can know about that about it and watch know about it and can learn about it, start their own thing what is that I am sharing with you. So this is the some motto that which I have.
बात तो सही है. दौड़ना तो
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
I have that I have to do for yourself, and then I am doing it. So this is responsibility. Subscribe, follow, and support myself to make and continue as a further stage of each video, which is the said that you are seeing that it go into the next level. Even without yourself, it cannot be possible, and if you don't support it, it will not go. Since it has started and it giving me, I am giving the best content, best thing and best thing that I am sharing, or that is I through my video some people make sure one thing that you have to remember. Life is about the philosophical thought. Once the which are more or accurate, what the level of thinking that you do, you will go to the next think about the next level. You will see the clear the path. Since what the thing you are doing, you are new on the path, and even though what you have think that will come into the yourself, which is your under path. Don't listen anyone do say that it is the worst of the thing, and that does not exist really. You have to know about that these are the things that which are connect. What the thing that come to yourself, it before yourself will not exist, and when you go toward yourself, then it come into exist. What the thing that are not exist before and not actually,
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है.
it is coming on the way. So make sure that these are through which yourself and myself, what I am doing, what the thing through which you are being yourself going to be, it is be only yourself, not other you, and that are belong to yourself. So these are the thing that say that these previous thing are not really exist before and I am trying to do the thing what will not exist before was after me, and before myself it will not exist. So these are the criteria through which I am making my own path, and this is the thing that I want to share. I have created my zone and creating this need yourself, and through myself, even though most of the people through they can change their lives, as that there are many people which are coming to the category through which there are various thing they do, and there are some people which are them. I only do believe on myself and my creativity. Since being in creativity is my responsibility to create my enjoyment. I enjoy the thing, what the thing being in a creative, and I explore myself as a and go into the next step. So it is not possible to go beyond without yourself. So need I am doing what through my creativity. Is creativity one thing through which you can explore yourself and enjoy the life, even though what the thing that are spreaded that happiness, money cannot buy happiness, that is the some different thing, they are not relative relatable today. So what the thing they are, what the thing that you are doing now, it will not exist before yourself. And even though maybe you will be first person that you come into the through yourself come into reality, or either do the thing that which are not before exist. I will do the thing what the thing before not will not exist, and after myself will not exist. Since these are these are the two what these are different because the parts direction of this part
महाकाल का धमाके लाकर से ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ
अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ सूर्य नमस्कार करो या फिर अनुलोम विलोम, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।
this thing you have to remember. So subscribe, follow, share, and follow my page and help me to grow, and I will trying to go into the next more people. If it's not possible, if you don't help me to grow, I am trying to give the best, and even though it is being creative, it helped me to once you come into more, I will give the more, and I have many things. I am being creative. It is very enjoyable thing that I do the work and I get enjoy, and even though you will get thrill. Many people give the negativity, so many of the social media
हे भगवान ये क्या हो रहा है, मेहरबानी करके मुझे समझाइए, मेरी समझ में कुछ नहीं आ रहा है।
page account which are so that there are negativity, some foolish thought where I am watching from this level place where you are watching, or these are some negativity from please avoid this kind of negativity on my comment section, or I avoid this kind of a people, and I don't want to be with. These are the things which are not this kind of a people will not do the thing what they actually they are the people through which the society get a negativity, and be not to the person, be the person being a creator. It is responsible to create something, not to spreading negativity. Is 99% people are spreading the negativity to make the society level. 1% people who are being a positive, they are always positive, and there are don't come in the 99% people. So being in a 1%, it is not responsibility, and being 1% does not mean that you are when you are 1%. Being 1%, I have many times faces the consequences of myself that fight with my and come into the situation that I myself find as that being 1% or being in a focus is the scene through which my guilt is come not give into the position. These are the happen because it is effect of the surrounding, and the what are the thing that you have consumed and what the thing that you have understand. These are the when the negativity and positivity clash. Even though negativity over on your positivity, then it come into the such situation. Be safe, positive, be attractive. I'll meet next one. So this is the responsibility for you. Subscribe, share, follow. I'll meet next video.
अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ सूर्य नमस्कार करो या फिर अनुलोम विलोम, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।